In this video, we'll demonstrate how to send direct messages on the X platform. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to send direct messages on X, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get straight into the steps. To send a direct message on X, remember that you can only send direct messages to people who have their direct messages open or those who follow you back. If someone has their direct messages open, you'll notice an envelope icon beside the follow button on their profile. Tap on that icon, type your message, and hit send. If the person does not have their direct messages open or doesn't follow you back, you won't be able to message them directly. The envelope icon won't be visible. Another way to send a direct message is by going to the Direct Messages page. You can access this by tapping on the Direct Messages icon in the bottom navigation bar on X. On the computer, navigate to the Direct Messages section. Tap on New Message. Type in the username of the person you want to message, and if their direct messages are open or they follow you back, you'll be able to send them a message. Remember, if the envelope icon or direct message option is not visible, it means you cannot directly message that user unless they open their direct messages or follow you back. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and helpful guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.